back to Vocab with Aileen. Today's idiom will make you feel like you're at a cowboy rodeo. Nope, not because we are going to Texas. It's because we're talking about hold your horses.
Wow!
Nope, it doesn't mean you run around with reins yelling, "Whoa!" at a horse in your living room. It's actually a super silly way of saying, "Wait a minute," or "Slow down." When someone says, "Hold your horses," they don't really mean grab a horse by the tail. It simply means be patient. Example sign. If your friend is opening snacks before the movie starts, you can say, "Hey, hold your horses. Let's wait until the movie begins." Or when your sister rushes to blow out your birthday candles, "Whoa, hold your horses. Those are my birthday candles." So, next time someone's moving too fast, just say, "Hold your horses, dude." It's like pressing the pause button, but with a funny cowboy twist.
Wow!
Alright, little cowboys, that's all for today's idiom.
Fantabulous!
Remember, keep learning, keep laughing, and don't forget to hold your horses. Bye!